Good morning, Kevin speaking. How can I assist you?
Good morning, sir. I'm Agent 31962. I'm calling you from the Senseless Bureau. You didn't answer some of your census questions, sir. We need to do those right now, okay?
Okay.
Do you know that when you clean your vacuum cleaner, you become a vacuum cleaner?
Yeah. Yes.
When you brush your teeth, it's the only time you are cleaning your skeleton.
Yes.
If the earth is flat, how come your life is only going downhill?
No, wait. Come on.
So is Saturday the day you waited 6 days for so that you could do absolutely nothing?
It depends because my work is working every day. I work three in 1 month. I work Saturdays, 3 Saturdays a month.
Do you think people who drink and claim to be drunk are never as drunk as people who drink and claim to be sober? It's true, that.
That's true.
Exactly. Yes, it is like that.
Is it true that you never realize how inappropriate your music is until you play it around your parents?
True.
Hearing you're on mute is embarrassing, but not even close to as embarrassing as you are not on mute.
Yes, for sure, yeah.
So do you know that nothing lasts longer than a person showing you a video that you have no interest in watching?
True, yeah.
Excuse me.
Is it true that introverts run on rechargeable batteries and extroverts run on solar power?
No, I didn't know that.
Do monkeys pretend to be less intelligent than humans so that they don't have to get a job, pay taxes, and wear pants?
No, I didn't know that. I don't think it's true.
So, have you thanked your dad for bringing you into this world, considering your mom probably wasn't in the mood?
I don't know. I don't know. And I totally have to disagree with that. How did you come up with these questions? This is hilarious. Cheers.
Wasn't he great?
What a gent. He was thoroughly entertained.
And if all that wasn't enough, I notice all the equipment that's behind you. You were telling me you also do newspapers and talking books for the deaf.
Yes, talking books for the blind. It's